Welcome! In this video I will show you how to record screen on iOS 26. First, open the control center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen, then hold your finger on the display for a while and select Add Control. Once you see this button, select Screen Recording. Now tap on the screen once, and now to start a screen recording, tap on this button right here. At this point, the screen recording is started, and if you want to stop it, just click right here and click Stop. To see the screen recording, we can go to the Photos section, and here is what it looks like. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.